Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the best desktop stand for mobile devices that I've been able to find. Now, before you start writing a comment about how useless a phone stand is and why you just kind of put your phone on the desk, let me explain. I have been looking for a phone stand for quite some time now, and before, when I had a wireless charger, that was super simple. You'd get one of those plastic ones with a Qi wireless charger built in. However, I don't have one with wireless charging anymore, and I wanted something slightly different that allowed me to have both portrait and landscape with my mobile device. And so enters the Ugreen flexible phone mount, which can be picked up for under £10 or $10 right now on Amazon, and it will be linked in the description below. And what really drew me to this mount was the materials that it's made of, and also the range of movement that you get from the ball head on top. You can have your phone standing in pretty much any direction you want to, whether that's portrait or landscape, and it has a really sticky base as well, so it's not really going to go anywhere, and it's got some weight to it, so again it's going to stay firmly on your desk. Now, included in the packaging is of course some magnets. And the first one that you have is this one here, which can easily fit inside any phone case, and you also do get one that sticks directly to the phone, but that's more of a permanent measure, whereas this one you can have in or out of the case, depending on if you're actually using the stand or if you're out and about and you don't want to have the extra bulk. Now, I say extra bulk because it doesn't really add too much. Now, I'm using my Google Pixel XL2, which is a metal phone, but because of the coating you can't just use it directly on the actual mount itself, and to be honest, a lot of phones at the moment are made out of aluminium, so again, they're not going to work without the included magnet. Now, the case I'm going to be using is the Spigen Rugged Armor. Now, with this case, it is completely made out of TPU, so it's really flexible, but also does offer some drop protection, but it's really easy to slot something in the back, whether that's money, a card, or in my case, the magnet for the stand. It's available for around £10 here in the UK, and of course it will be linked in the description below, but this, along with pretty much any TPU style case, is going to work perfectly fine. So once you've got your case, this is the easiest part. All you need to do is put the magnet inside the case. Now, you want to have the magnet facing outwards, and then you want to have the soft part facing inwards, because that's going to be the part that's actually in contact with your device, so you definitely don't want to get any scratches with the actual magnetic parts. Once your phone is then inserted, super simple, everything is all done, and you're ready to go. And as you can see here, it attaches extremely nicely, whether you're using the one that attaches directly to your phone or you're using it through a case like I am here. Now, one thing that I would say is the magnet itself is very good, but sometimes it can actually be a little bit too strong, and it then knocks over the stand itself. So if I just rewind this real quick, you do need to be a little bit strategic with how you take the device off. I found the best way is to actually slightly slide it downwards so that it completely comes off of the magnet. And then of course you've got the option for landscape. So if you're on your phone and you're going into Netflix, for example, to watch something, you can easily just simply rotate your device. You don't need to actually pick it up or anything, it just rotates really smoothly, again because it's attached with a magnet, and you can see the range of movement that you get here. So again, with a phone like the Pixel XL2 with its front-firing speakers and large screen, it's a really great viewing experience. If you are doing something more productive like Photoshop editing, for example, but you do want to watch some video on the side and not have it take up your main screen, again this is a really great option to do so. Now, you can also use this to have a kind of second display, if you will. So again, if you are using your main monitor but you do want to have a look at Twitter or Instagram, but you don't want to actually come out of what you're doing, this again is a great option just to have on the side of your desk to display any content that you want. Also, if you're doing any sort of social like Snapchat, Instagram or IGTV, then this is a really great option to get a little bit more stability without actually having to hold your device, giving you both hands for anything you may need to do in those videos. And that's going to do it, guys, for this video. Now, I know that it hasn't necessarily been the most exciting video, but I figured that if I'm out there looking for a really nice phone stand, then a ton of you guys are going to be doing the exact same thing. So the stand and also the case will be linked in the description down below if you want to pick something like this up for yourself. And if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below, and if you're not already subscribed, now is a great time to do so. I'm going to be coming out with a ton more videos really shortly in regards to Android icon packs, widgets, and anything to do with Android customization like wallpapers as well, so definitely stay tuned for that. And I've also got some really awesome comparison videos coming up with some of the best smartphone gimbals, so again, if you're not already subscribed, the button is just below this video. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass, thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.